you for joining this lesson. We're going to discuss variations. A quantity z varies directly as the square of x and inversely as the square root of y. If x increases by 20% and y decreases by 36%, find the percentage change in z. Remember to subscribe to this channel and to also share the link with friends. Let me write a relationship between these three variables. We are given z, which is directly proportional or varies directly as the square of x. So directly as the square of x, that is x squared, and inversely, that means we divide by the square root of y. So the square root of y. Generally, this is how the variables are related. So we can have z being equal to, we introduce an equal sign, then a constant of proportionality. You can call it k, multiplied by z, x squared, divided by the square root of y. So that is how generally they are connected. Now we can go to the percentage changes. X increases by 20%. So that means the new x now, x prime, becomes 120% of the original x, which means this is 1.2 of original x, while the new y, which decreases by 36%, now becomes 64% of the original y, and this is going to be 0.64 the original y. Now with this, we can express the new z by saying the new z now will become, because it should be k multiplied by the new x squared. So the new x is 1.2 of original x squared divided by the square root of the new y, which is 0.64 of the original y. This is now the new y. So with this now, let me finish up actually the expression. So new z is going to be, when we take 1.2 squared, we get 1.44. So this is going to be 1.44 k x squared divided by the square root of 0.64 y. We're going to get 0.8 the square root of y. This is now the new z. We should know that the percentage change in z is going to be, when we take, let me write it well, when we take the new z, we subtract the original z out of the original z expressed as a percentage. This is what will give us the percentage change in z. Therefore, we're now going to have the substitution in this, whereby we take 1.44 k x squared divided by 0.8 the root of y, then minus k x squared out of the root of y. That is the original expression for z, divided by k x squared out of the root of y. This one now expressed as a percentage. So let me work out, because I'm first of all going to factor out kx squared divided by y. When I factor out, it will cancel with the 1 at the denominator, and that means we shall remain with 1.44 out of 0.8 minus 1. then we express this one as a percentage. So let me work it out. 1.44 divided by 0.8, then we subtract 1. This is going to give us 0.8 expressed as a percentage. It becomes 80%. So it's an 80% increase. In case you work out percentage change and you get a negative, it would be a percentage decrease. Thank you for following. Subscribe and share.